So first of all, open your browser, then type CIPC, then go to e-services. Then you need to log in into your account. So they just need your customer code and your password. Then you must make sure that when you are typing the security code, it's cursor sensitive, so you need to type exactly what is there. Then you log in. So I'm now in my account. So what we want to do is a beneficial ownership filing. So you go to transact, then you need to check everything and see where there is beneficial ownership tab there. Then you click there. It's gonna give show you a declaration. You must read it. After you're done, you click agree. Then it's gonna refresh. Then you press continue. Then it's gonna show you all the beneficial ownerships that you have done before. So wanna do a new one for a new company. So you need to type the registration number for that company that you want to do a beneficial ownership for. So you must type exactly the right numbers. Then after that you click search. Then it's gonna show you all the details for that company, the name and the number. So what you're supposed to upload now is a mandate, and you must make sure that it's not bigger than 3 megabytes. So you must have all your documents ready in your computer. Then you want to upload the mandate, so you choose file, then you go and select the mandate, then you continue. Then you need to type select the company type, say non-affected company with beneficial ownership. Then you continue. Then you say new. Then select person type, that is natural. It's gonna refresh. Then you're gonna put the details for the director. So if the director is a South African, you where they say, are you a South African citizen, you just say yes. Then if it's a foreigner, you say no. Then you have to put the date of birth for that director of the company that you're filing the PO for. So you put the date of birth, the issue date, the ID or passport if it's a foreign national. So in this case, the person is a South African citizen, so we're just gonna put the ID and the date of birth and the issue date. You must make sure if you don't know where it is, if you're using a smart card ID, you just check at the back. You see where there's written issue date. That's the date that you're gonna put here. Then if you're using the green book, you just check where there's written issue date, then you just put it. So here we put the ID number, and you must also make sure that the ID number is correct, because if you give incorrect details here, you won't be able to move on with the process. So once you put the ID number, it's gonna automatically put the name and the surname of the director. So after that, you need to put the email address of the director. So you must make sure that the director is given all the details that you need for you to do this process, and you must both make sure that they are correct details. So you put the email 708 gmail.com, Then after that you need to put the phone number of the director. Right. Okay, 0. Okay. Then if you want to put a text number, you can put the text number there. If you want to put it, if you don't want to, it's fine. See, all the boxes that has got a red star, you must make sure that you're gonna put what they're asking you to put there. But those were other ones without a star, it's also fine. So the date of interest type, usually I just put the date where the company was registered. So you just check on the CK, then you put that date. And on the interest type, you just click shareholding or beneficial ownership, and you put it to 100. Depending, I'm putting 100 because the director is only one, and he's the one who's responsible for all the shares. So sometimes it depends. So here you just put the address of the company. As you can see, all the boxes have got a red star. It means that you must type something in those boxes. If you leave one of the boxes blank, you won't be able to move on with the process. So if the address is just same as the postal address, you just copy there, then you save. So after that, if the information is correct, you see where is written ID verified. So if it's green, it means everything is okay. If it's red, there's a problem. Continue. So here we now want to upload the documents. So if you don't have these documents, you just say it in the comment section, then I'll help you if you don't have these documents. Or if you want me to do another video showing me how to create these documents or what these documents are supposed to be having in it, you just say in the comment section. So you just upload. Usually I just upload 5. Okay, I'm gonna upload again the share register. Yeah, it's also called the securities register. It's the same thing. So okay, let me upload another one, the disclosure form. Because the thing, if you upload 5 documents, it's gonna be okay. So let me just the disclosure form. Okay, then you save. Then after that, you need to press continue. Then it's gonna show you the enterprise information, the ownership information, and the document information. Then after that, you just press submit. Then when you press submit, it's gonna land you on a page where you're supposed to to verify your email address and your an SMS. So they're gonna send you an SMS and an email address. So after that, you have to confirm by just putting the SMS that you got, the OTP that you got, SMS, then the email address that you got. Then after that, you'll be able to download your beneficial ownership certificates. Thank you.